how to turn off and disable Google Contacts on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Just go to Google Maps, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture like this, and now click on the second option, click on your profile, and it will take you to this page. Now click on edit profile. After you click on edit profile, it will take you to this page. Now click on profile and privacy settings and go to the top. You will find Google Contacts option, and you can now click on it and it will be turned off. Very easy and fast. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.